I had a member that needed some assistance. So it was 1 o'clock in the afternoon right here. And I said, all right, well, let's just look and see because what's coming up. The first time of day zone is sort of that out of the lunchbox move, right? So I went through it and I want to just share it with you because the way we viewed it today, as I've done in the CTV room a million times, it was just so simple. And they totally got it, and that's how they're going to trade from now on. But check this out. So the first thing in Convert the Vert or Convert the Vert Plus is, if you don't know what it is, Tammy or Michael or someone could like post the CTV replay if you want. Time of day zone. So I always suggest in the beginning, or if you're struggling with Convert the Vert or Convert the Vert Plus, you want to learn how to day trade, use the time of day zone. What does that mean? Well, there's 8 times of day where the markets tend to shift. The one that was coming up here is called out of the lunchbox. So this is the lunchbox right here. I'm going to just share with you the actual trade here, okay? It's pretty cool. So this colored box is called the lunch box, this particular one. And what you'll see with this box here is that around lunchtime, price tends to chop around from 11:30, 11:45, right around here. Boom, 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 boom. That's just the way it is. There's low volume, there's revenge traders. It just kind of goes all over the place. So what we wait for, as the market was obviously coming down like this, what is the shift? The shift would be this way, right? So I'm looking pretty much at lunch for a shift to the upside right after, say, 1 o'clock, which is right here. And so here's the CTV, simple CTV rules. Time of day, check. Okay, we're right here. We're looking for, the first thing I'm looking for is what I refer to as some price action. And so I'm going to break down the price action into just 3 things, 3 simple things. Price action, okay? The first is I want to see a reversal candle. The second is I want to see a confirmation of the reversal candle. And then I want to see a moving average cross. Moving average cross of the 3 and the 5. That's what I refer to as price action. So you have time of day plus price action. When I get these 3, then I'm going to confirm, sound familiar? Setup, confirmation. I'm going to confirm with just 3 indicators. Not everything on here, just 3 simple indicators. And when it does, I'm going to execute the trade, and then I'm going to exit as soon as I get a yellow bar or a level. But that's the strategy. Really, really simple. So check this out, guys. Watch. This is lunchtime, going nowhere, right? I'm looking for a move to the upside, so I'm looking for a reversal candle. That's a reversal candle. Not a great one, but a reversal candle nonetheless. Now, this, if you look, see price coming down, 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 down. That is a reversal candle, sort of, isn't it? But what followed it? You see that? That ain't a reversal candle. So a reversal candle is it opens here and closes here after it had previously opened here and closed here. So if price is coming down, next candle, price is coming down, open, close. But then you have one that opens and closes, that is the reversal. So that's what this here is, a reversal. See how it opens here, closes here? That's what the hollow ones are. Solid means they open up, close down. Solid. Hollow means they open down, close up. Does everybody see how that's a reversal candle? See how it's open like that? But I need a confirmation. I need the confirmation candle. That is not. That is not. So that is no longer a reversal. So now I go to the next time. Well, that looks like one. You see the long wick? That is pretty much a reversal candle because it opened here, came down to the wick, and then finished up here. It ain't perfect. This is perfect. Like the lollipop with the open is perfect. The lollipop closed, almost perfect. It's still a reversal. But that reversal candle's got to get followed up by a confirmation candle. When I look, it actually is, because this candle, this little solid lollipopper, closed here, right here. This other candle, which is kind of wishy-washy, actually closed above the close of this candle. That's what a confirmation candle is. It means it breaks the close of the prior candle. Now, if you didn't like that one and wanted to wait one more, would you all agree that we confirmed here on this candle? Yeah? So here, reverse confirmation. So that's your confirmation. So remember what I said. Price, action. Number one, reversal candle. Check. Confirmation candle. Finally, check. Number three, moving average, cross. See how these two cross right here? Right there. See right here? Right here. That's where it crosses, right there. And you know how else I can tell? Because the white candles turn cyan, because I have this indicator that turns them color when the moving averages cross. So now I've got all three. I got this, and I got the cross. And I've got a time of day zone. I'm breaking out of the lunchbox. I have time of day, yes. Reversal, yes. Confirmation, yes. Moving average cross and prices above that moving average, yes. So now I'm just going to look to confirm. Just three things. Look down. Cycle indicator. Is it green and is it moving up? Yes. Right? The RSI indicator. Is the RSI over the 50% line to the upside? That's the 50% line. Because when it does move up, it gives you a green bar. Do I have a green bar? Is it above? Yes, it is. Isn't it interesting how at the moment that we got this moving average cross and confirmation is the same moment that we got green on the cycle indicator and confirmed exactly here on the RSI? And look at the dots, right? Mixed signal. Look at when they all go solid blue. Everybody see it? Indicator 1, green and moving up. Indicator 2, green and above 50%. Indicator 3, all blue dots. This is called take the damn trade. So I look to my right, and price is at 206 and change, right? So I buy probably the 206 calls, or you could buy the 206 50s if you wanted to. They were probably somewhere around 60 cents on IWM. And then off it goes. And what's my exit? It's called yellow or level. Now, it just so happens that this ends up hitting VWAP, but I'll use yellow bar. There's VWAP. Yellow, it's called yellow or level is the rule. This would be a level. Bang, you're out of the trade. If you didn't want to have VWAP on your chart as an extra line, I'll disable it. This right here is it's a red bar that's horizontal, but before it turned horizontal, it was vertical, and it was right here. And it was yellow or level. That happened right here. So you enter the trade here and you exit the trade here. That's the trade. Boom. It's flawless. Time of day, 3 price action moves: reversal, confirmation, moving average cross. Double check with this, triple check with this, quadruple check with this. Come over here, take the trade, get out on the yellow bar. That's the trade. That's what we went over today, and that's what they're going to do for the next 4 or 5 days, one contract, just to get used to these entries. You can see earlier where, let's just look at a spot here. Sort of a reversal confirmation. Got a little, well, you didn't really get a moving average cross there, did you? Here, reversal, a little bit of confirmation. The moving averages cross here. When you look, yes, you've got that. You are not above it, and you do not have blue dots. Do you see how these did not confirm? No confirm. No bueno. No trade. Let's take a look at the 11 o'clock. I think we saw something here to the downside, right? Yeah. So here's the 11 o'clock time of day. Price is coming up, up, up. I'm waiting for the reversal candle. That's a perfect downward reversal candle. This is what it looks like on the way up. That's what it looks like on the way down. Reversal candle, confirmation, moving average cross right here. Check the cycle indicator. Yes. Yes. And then eventually, all yellow. Take the damn trade. You get a little bit of a pullback here, but it maintains its structure all the way through the move. You hold on until you get a yellow bar. Guess where the yellow bar is? Right there. Bang. That's your exit. Entry, yellow bar, exit. That's your move. If you were smart, you added to the trade here. But just showing you the simple rules of convert the vert and or CTV. If you wanted to trade this on SPX and do convert the vert, you could. But right there is like, if you don't see this setup, don't take the trade. But this is what you look for. Absolutely perfect reversal, and then the confirmation of our 3 indicators right there. Really great. Yeah, so that move was not that huge of a move, really. I mean, that's really the move right there. So if you bought a $60 call, you probably made like 20 bucks. Something like that. Now, that doesn't sound like a lot, but that's a 30% win. So imagine down the road if you're trading 50 of these. How much did you make now? You made $1,000 in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, you make $1,000. So what I'm trying to show you, Nova, is that it doesn't matter. The move is more important than the money. Because if you can solidify the move in and the move out, the money will take care of itself. Some moves will be like this. Some will be like this. Some will give you an indication that you should add to the trade on the way up. But it gives you safe entry exits.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.